Well, hi there. I'm Kristen with One Focus Property Management, and today I'm taking you on the tour of 148 Jacobs Landing Way in Danville, Pennsylvania. This luxurious townhouse has 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a lot more that you're going to fall in love with. So sit back and relax because I am about to blow your hair back and we're going to get this tour started. Well, we can't start the tour without taking a look at the beautiful surrounding area back here on Jacobs Landing Way, as well as the side-by-side. You can fit 2 cars here and then 2 cars in the garage, and we'll go inside and take a look at that from the interior. And we're going to come right into your beautiful front door. You have a nice little entryway here. Now, we do have a set of steps that goes up and over, and then in the middle it goes up. We're going to take it through here and take a look at this, and then we'll make our way through that other side of the steps. Beautiful, big, open garage. You've got some hooks over there for storage. You've got this little storage area right here. Nice little storage room here. And then you also have a mechanical room that has open and available storage as well. And we're gonna come to the interior of the home here because you've got this cool little room over here. I mean, come on. It is a great little bonus area. This would make a fabulous office. A hobby room. You have a gigundous, that's a made up word, but it's a big closet. Lots of space in there to be able to utilize for storage. And then you also have access right to the outside from the ground level. So you have 3 levels of view here. This would be what I'd call your grass level. Beautiful in its own right. Wait until we get upstairs because it just gets better and better. Now let's take it upstairs. We are over on the other set of stairs. This takes you right into the garage here. And we're coming right up here like a little teepee. And then we're going to ascend to the center of the home. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful living room, dining room, open concept kitchen area. I mean, you get this gorgeous, absolutely breathtaking view. Let's go out here. Second level view, very beautiful. Still not the best. The best is definitely yet to come. And we're going to come back in here. We're going to talk about this gorgeous kitchen. High stools, definitely a must here. You've got a beautiful stainless package, double ovens, beautiful refrigerator, dishwasher. You've got a microwave, miles of counters, lots of cabinets. And if that is not enough, we're going to come into this enormous pantry. There is tons of food storage space in here. I am actually the most jealous person alive because I don't have that much food storage. Now, when we come around the corner here, we've got a great storage closet so people can hang their coats off and kick their shoes off if they want to. You have a fabulous half bathroom, nice, wide, beautiful granite countertop here. And I love the giant mirror because you can check your vibe anytime you want to as you're walking through. And we're going to come into the first bedroom here. Now, one would think because I'm going to turn around and you have this beautiful walk-in shower, this great vanity, that this would be the master bedroom, but you are wrong. Each bedroom in this home has its own individual bathroom, which is literally amazing. It also has a great standard closet. So this is the smallest closet as far as the bedrooms go. You could certainly fit, I would say probably about a queen size bed in here. It is a little on the narrow side, but you have a beautiful panoramic view of that front neighborhood area. Now let's take it up to the top floor here because we are really getting to the good stuff up here. Nice wide staircase, by the way. These staircases are wide, and I mention that because getting furniture up here isn't going to be as much of a challenge because you have some elbow room. Now, we are going to come into this bedroom here, and I've got to tell you, this would definitely be the master bedroom. You could fit up to a king size bed in here. It has this Amazing walk-in closet. I mean, you could not ask for any more to be put into this space. And then you have your ensuite bathroom, stunning shower. I mean, look at the shower head. You've got the beautiful bench. It's all tiled. You have this gorgeous double vanity, nice large mirror, and your throne room is nice and separate, and you can close the door if you want to. But what makes this the master is the upper level view. We have gotten to the top, and the view up here is absolutely magnificent. Now let's go across the hall here, because we have a couple other things to look at. Oh yeah, that would be your top floor laundry. And then last but not least, you have the third bedroom. This would certainly fit up to a king size bed. It also has a built-in closet, so you could make this a master if you wanted to, but that view over there. And then coming into the last bathroom, you've got a bathtub, a beautiful tall shower head, and that granite countertop on the vanity just is the chef's kiss on an absolutely stunning townhome. Excuse me, but I'm pretty sure you're razzled and you're dazzled. So what you gotta do to call this place home is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You can look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You can book your tour, and you can even submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office. It's 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website or give us a call today, because y'all, I am chomping at the bit to help you make this your place.